work. Okay, so that otherwise we have to waste our time no for marking. I'll mark them and send back to you. So
Okay, miss.
we completed the unit 1. Then did you
Yeah.
do all these exam practice questions as well?
Miss,
What are
you
the
didn't
questions?
give the exam practice.
I didn't give those ones to you, right? We did up
Yeah.
where? Can you remember the things we did? Did
No, miss, we didn't do those.
we didn't do this, ne? Okay. From
Miss told to do up to that where exercise 6.
right. Exercise 6. Exercise 5, did you do?
Yeah,
Equation thing, exercise 5 and exercise 5 stuff.
yeah, I did those.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now today we have to start from here. Exercise 6 as well you did.
yeah,
Okay, 6 star also you did. Then we have to start from here. Negative signs outside brackets, right?
yeah.
Okay. So let me share my entire screen
Okay, miss.
and then I'll open my pen. So now, what about the school work? Is it easy for you to understand?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Now, today we are going to do about the same, what we call the same unit, but we are going to learn a little bit further. So today we will be talking about what? That is all about the negative signs outside brackets. Okay, so there we have a question, example 17. The question is solve 2 times, okay, 2 times 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus 5 is equals to 15. So now what do you think how we simplify this one? How we solve this one? Solve means we need to find out the value for x. How we gonna solve these kind of questions?
Mm, we have to first take multiply that brackets
Yes,
with
yes. First,
2
what we
and
have to do, we have to remove all these brackets. Removing brackets means we have
remove
to
the
multiply. Yes. 2 times 3x, that is 6x.
6x.
2 times 1, that is 2.
2.
Here we have minus, then minus means here we have minus 1 no, because there's no any
Yeah,
value. So minus 1 times 2x, that is minus 2x. Minus 1 times minus 5, that is 5, is equals to the answer is 15. I mean
15.
answer means right hand side we have 15. Then what we
Yeah.
can do, we can simplify these ones further because we can see that there are two like terms, 6x and 2x. 6x minus 2x, what is the answer? What is the value?
4x.
4x, very good, 4x. Plus 2 plus 5, what is the value?
7.
Plus 7 is equals to, then we have 15. Now
50.
we have to remove this 7 because we have to isolate only this x. We need to find out the value for x. That means
Yeah.
we need to isolate this x. How we gonna isolate this x? 4x plus 7 minus 7 is equals to 15
15 minus
minus
7.
7. Now what we can do? 4x is equals to 15 minus 7, that is 8. Then we can divide both sides by 4. That means x is equals to 2.
2.
Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Shall we then start a few questions? Yeah. Okay, give me 1 minute. Can you start from here? Exercise 7?
Okay, miss.
Uh, So were you able to find out how to do the first one?
Yes, miss.
Okay, how?
Uh, First
Three.
we take 3 and x, it is 3x
Yes, 3x
minus
minus
6.
2. Yeah, 2 times x plus 1 is equals to 5. Then we have 3x minus 6 minus 2x minus 2 is equals to 5. Then you have 3x minus 2x, that is x, minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8, is equals to 5. Then we have to add 8 for both sides. Is the answer 18 for the first one?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. In which question are you now? First one you did.
Yeah,
Then
in
second
the
one.
second one.
Okay. Once you completed the second one, do only ninth and the 10th question. Okay.
Okay.
Ninth and the 10th question. The
Uh,
rest of these ones do as homework.
well, okay. Miss, miss, what is the answer for the ninth one?
Ninth one, what you can see. Ninth one we have 4 times 3 minus 5x minus 7 times 5
5
minus 4x
4
plus
plus
3
3
is equals to
equals
0.
to 0.
Now 12 minus 20x minus 35 plus minus 7 times 4, that is plus 28. 28x plus e is equals to 0. Now what we have? Now what we have? 12. So we have to simplify the like terms further. එතකොට 12 minus 35 and then plus 3. I took all those ones together, and minus 20x plus 28x is equals to 0. Now what will happen? 12 plus 3, that is 15. 15 minus 35, that is minus 20. Okay, minus 20 plus 8x is equals to 0. Then we need to like remove this minus 20. To remove this minus 20, we need to add 20 to both sides. Alright. Then here also we have 20. So these two will cut off. Then you have 8x is equals to 20. Then you can
Got that up to there.
okay, then you can divide both sides by
Is it, Miss, is it 2.5?
2.5. Correct,
Okay.
2.5. Last question, the 10th one. Once you do the 10th one, from the 7th star exercise, do only the last 4 questions. 7, 8, 9, and 10. The rest of the questions you can do at home.
Okay, Miss.
What happened? Were you able to complete the 10th one?
Yes, miss.
Okay, that one also done. Then for the now you are in 7th star, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
8th one.
8th one. Okay, very good. So, did you complete the 7th one and the 8th one in 7 star?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Shall we do the next theory? Because since you can do those questions alone, we'll move to the next theory.
Okay.
Okay. You can do, right? These ones. Now it's
Yeah,
theory is clear for you, right?
yeah.
Okay. Then the next part is problems leading to equations. Habai, for these ones, what you have to know, they haven't given us the exact expression to solve and find out the value. They have, so in these type of questions, they have given us a scenario, a question with statements. We have to build the expression with X terms and then only we can simplify. We can simplify and solve. Let the unknown quantity be X. Write down the facts in the form of an equation and then solve it. We have to, we have to write, we have, so earlier questions, they were given us, we were given us the equations. Habai metana, we need to write and create the equation and then only we can solve for the answer. Is it clear what is the difference in between these two?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so the example is the sum of three consecutive numbers is 219. What are those numbers? So what do you think? How we gonna start this kind of a question?
Mm,
If it's three consecutive numbers, it's like a 1, 2, 3 wage. So we don't know what would be the exact value. So for the first value, we can put it as x. Then the second value is x plus 1. Then the third value is x plus 2. So make a hadisengat if x is equals to 1, again we are receiving the same values 1, 2, 3 as the three consecutive numbers. So this is okay for any consecutive three numbers. Is it clear? X,
yes, miss.
x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now what will happen? Then if we add all these three numbers, the final value should equals to 290. How we gonna write that one then? X plus 1 plus x plus 2 should finally equals to what? 290. See, we create this equation. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Oh, now what you can do, now you know how to simplify and solve, right? So make an x plus, here we don't have a value, that means x plus 1. And again, if we remove this bracket, it will become x plus 2 is equals to 290. So then all three x's, we can 3x plus, here we have 13 is, sorry, only 3, no? 1 plus 2, that is 3. එතකොට 3x plus 3 is equals to 290. Then to find out the value for 3x, we have to remove this 3. Then 3x is equals to 216, and then you can divide both sides by 3. So you will receive x is equals to 72. Is it clear for you? Are you sure? Then
Yes, miss.
x is equals to 72 means what are those three consecutive numbers? We had x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. No? That means the three consecutive numbers are 72, 73 and 74.
24.
Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Now, the second question is find the value of x and the perimeter of this isosceles triangle. Can you explain me? Look at this entire working and can you explain me how you gonna do this one? First, just try to do that one. How are you gonna simplify this one?
By
First, you need
mm,
to write the expression. How you write the expression?
mm,
So here perimeter means what? Perimeter means what?
the the
Perimeter means
uh,
total length of this entire
yeah,
triangle.
entire triangle.
Okay. Then we have the lengths of the three sides with respect to x. Here we have 3x. Here we have 7x minus 4. And then we have 4x plus 2. Okay. Now, if we wanted to, now what they are saying is find the value of x and the perimeter of this isoscale triangles. Isoscale triangles means what is the what we call what is the speciality of this isoscale triangle?
Mm,
Is
because it is
Isoscales triangles means two sides are equal. See, they also mark that. See, these two lines indicate that the length of these two sides
equal.
are equal. Now, what we can do? We can consider 4x plus 2 is equals to 7x minus 4. Is it clear? Because
Yeah,
these two lengths are equal, no? Then you can consider 4x plus 2 is equals to 7x minus 4. By simplifying and solving this entire equation, you can find out the value for x. Is it clear?
yeah, miss.
Oh, then, so how you gonna simplify? Okay, simplify and tell me what is the value for x?
Okay.
What are the steps you need to follow? Okay, do it alone and tell me. Okay, what happened? Are you doing the question?
Yeah, man.
Why is it not clear?
No, miss.
Okay,
Is it
try to find out the
um,
value for x.
miss?
Yes?
Is it 0.666?
No, no, because here we had 4x plus 2 is equals to 7x minus 4. Then what you can do? So you have to bring all the x's to one side. Ne? So x's
Yeah,
to one side means you can bring this 4x to the other side. If you bring this 4x to the other side, then it would be 7x minus 4x. Okay, if you take this,
But may she auntie taking to the others?
yeah, other side also fine. එතකොට එහෙනම් එහෙම ගත්තොත් here you have taken this 7x to the left side, right? එහෙනම්
Yeah.
4x minus 7x is equals to minus 4 minus 2. Here we have minus 4 minus 4 minus 2. So 4x minus 7x, that is minus 3x. No? Minus 3x is equals to minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 means minus 6. Then
Six.
what
Uh,
you can do, you can divide both sides by minus 3. That is x is equals to,
okay, is I accidentally subtract those two, minus
ඒක
4 and minus 2.
now you got the answer as x is equals to 2, and then you can simplify, substitute those x values to the respective lengths and find out those
Okay.
length.
Miss,
What are the lengths? Did you found the length? X is
is
equals
it
to
10
2.
minutes?
Yes, yes, yes. Then we have 10. So two sides are there, that is 10, 10. This side, it is 2 times 3, that is 6. Okay, which
Okay.
means it's clear. Then for these questions, now you have to do all these questions with me now, because these ones are statement questions. Okay, so the entire exercise 8 is an in-class activity. Can you start with the first question? Habai, you have to write all the steps, as well as you have to show the workings as well. Hari, shall we
Okay.
do? Mahansida? Mahansi
No,
wage adana. Okay. Exercise 8. If you do the exercise 8 perfectly, then you can do the 8 star as a homework. Let's do this one first. First question.
Miss,
Oh, yes. Tell me.
we have to take that 6x plus 20 and 8 minus 2x together, right, Miss?
මට දැන් වැටිලා තියෙනවා 6යි කාලට මං හිතන්නේ මේ පිකප් එකක් කෝපරේට් හයර් එකක්. ඒක කැන්සල් කරන්න ඕනේ. 6යි කාලට මේ 7යි කාලට සිනර්ජන් හෙල්ත් එකට. ෆෝන් නම්බර් එකෙන් පුළුවන් නේද? රෙෆරන්ස් ID එක රෙෆරන්ස් ID එක 27යි 53යි 27යි 53යි 37යි 574. Yeah. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, හරි. Okay, thank you. හරි. Sorry. Yes, now tell me.
Miss, we have to take 6x plus 20 and 8
Yes,
80 minus 2x
yes,
together, right?
yes. The sum of two consecutive numbers is 477. එහෙනම් you have to consider two consecutive numbers as x and x plus 1. Okay, so now you have to add these two numbers x plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 is equals to 477. And then you have to simplify it. 2x plus 1 is 477, and then you have to find out the value for x. Okay, is it clear?
Uh,
Okay, what is the value you received for x?
Mm, Miss, is it 30?
X is equals to what?
30?
No, because here 477. So first one, so did you receive this equation? 2x plus 1 is equals to 477.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, then what is the next step? The next step would be we have to subtract or we have to remove this 1 from here. That means 2x plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 477 minus 1. 2x plus 1 minus 1 means for the left hand side we have 2x. 2x is equals to for the right hand side 477 minus 1 means 476. Now what you have to do? To find out to divide both sides by 2, to divide we need to divide both sides by 2 to find out the value for x. Now x is equals to 238. What you have to do, you have to divide this 476 by 2. Now the first number is 238. The second number is what? 239.
39.
Is it clear? Are you sure?
I'm like a little bit confused in that x and 2x like.
Okay, now is it clear or do I need to explain it again? Do you want me to explain it again?
Can we explain it again?
Yeah, sure. So what will happen here? If I get a new one, the sum of two consecutive numbers, no? And also they have given that the first number is x කියලා. එතකොට first number එක x නම් the second number would be x plus 1. And they have given us the sum of two consecutive numbers. So if sum means addition, if we add these two consecutive numbers, we should have received the value total is 477. Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
This is the expression what we have. So x plus x, these two are like terms, no? X plus x, what is the value? If we simplify this one further, x plus x,
2x.
2x. 2x plus 1 is equals to 477. Now you can remove this one. To remove this one, we have to minus 1 from both sides. Then for the left hand side, you have 2x. 2x is equals to 476. Is it clear now?
Yes, Miss.
Now you can find out the value for x. Find the value for x. Huh. Huh. Okay. Is it clear? 2x is equals to 476. Then you can divide both sides by 2. That is x is equals to 238. The other number is 239. Did you got the answer?
Hmm.
Still not?
Wait a minute.
That sound is not good. මොකද ප්‍රශ්නේ? That sound is not good. මොකක්ද issue එක? 476, you can divide it with the long division. If you are like, it's hard to divide, then you can use the long division and divide. මෙතන තියෙන 4ට 2 ඒවා 2යි. For this 4, 2 times 2, that is 4. Then 0, we have to bring this 7 here. For this 7, 2 times 3, that is 6. 7 minus 6, that is 1. Again here we have 6. For this 16, 2 times 8, 16. Then 16 minus 16, that is 0.
Miss, we have to take that 2x plus 1 and x, or that 6x plus 20 and the other one.
You are doing the second question, eh?
Hmm?
Are you doing the second question or the first one?
First one.
First one, the first one go with 20 and something. I didn't get you.
That 6x plus 20 in that triangle.
So triangle belongs to the second question. This triangle belongs to this second question. First
Yes.
one, oh, now are you doing the first one? So have you completed the first one? Did you
Are those
receive?
the same, or the first one is the different one?
First one is this first one, the sum of two consecutive numbers 477. ඒකට මේක ඕනේ නැහැ. I mean this triangle එක ඕන වෙන්නේ නැහැ. This triangle,
Okay. Now I got.
this triangle belongs to the second question. මේ තියෙන්නේ
I
find
got confused, miss, because
ඒකනේ.
it's like
Find x and the size of
taking those two.
find x and the size of each angle in the triangle කියලා කියන්නේ. The second question refers to the triangle.
Okay.
Okay. First question
Okay.
is this one. There's no any triangles. Second question,
Yeah.
we have a triangle. Triangle case. Hari?
Okay.
Okay. Now do the first and the second one.
Okay.
Okay. මම බැලුවා මෙච්චර හොඳට කරන් ආපු ළමයාගෙන් ආපු රෙස්පොන්ස් එක එච්චර හොඳ වුණේ නැහැ. Okay, do the first
I
one and
thought
the second.
I thought that the triangle is with the first
මේක තමයි.
question.
Yes, yes. මට හිතුණා. Okay, do the question first one and the second one. Complete those two.
Miss, 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 are you there?
Yeah. Yes, tell me.
Miss, I got the answer. It is 238.
Yes, 238 is the first one. Then the second number is
It
200.
is 239.
Yes, very good. Now, can you do the second question only?
Okay. Miss,
Yes. Yes. How you calculate the second question?
6x and that 80.
Okay.
Uh,
So what is the
then
expression? What is the expression you write? You wrote?
6x plus 20 equals 80 minus 2x.
So there they haven't give us that those two sides are this triangle is an isoscale triangle here. How you equalize these two? නෑ මොකක් පොඩයි. Find x and the size of each angle in this triangle. So what did you do? You just equalize these two angles, right?
Yeah,
6x plus 20, you make it equals to 80 minus 2x.
yeah,
Correct? But it is not correct because they haven't mentioned that this triangle is an isoscale triangle. Or they haven't given us any fact that these two
so
angles are equals.
miss,
හැබැයි
add,
හැබැයි
do you have to add those?
හැබැයි we know that the interior, all the interior angles of a triangle adds up to what?
180 degrees.
Very good, 180. එහෙනම් this one is incorrect, but you can write another new expression for addition of all these triangles. 4x plus 6x plus 20 plus 80 minus 2x is equals to how much? 180. Is it clear now?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Can you find the value for x?
Okay, miss.
What is the value for x?
Miss, should we take it 6x plus 20 equals to 180?
Why? Why is that? So here we
Or
have
all
4x
together?
all together. 4x plus
Yeah, I did
6x,
that
that is
also, and
10x.
I did the other one also.
Okay, 4x plus 6x, that is 10x. 10x
Yeah,
plus 2x, that is 12x. 12x plus 100, that is equals to 180.
180.
Then what you can do is 12x plus 100. Oh yes. No, it's not 12. 4x plus 6x, that is 10x. 10x minus 12x, that 2x, that is 8x. See? We have minus here. Minus 2x. එතකොට 8x plus, did you see? Here
Yeah,
4x plus 6x, 10x. 10x minus 2x, that is 8x. 8x plus 100, that is equals to 180. 8x is equals to 180 minus 100, that is 80. X is equals to 10.
I got him.
Okay?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. X is equals to 10. Now, what are the angles? 4x. 4 times 10. This angle is 40
40
degrees.
degrees.
This angle is
These are yeah. Mm, yeah.
10 times 6, that is 60. 60 plus 20, that is 80. 80 degrees.
Isn't it 90?
No, right?
Ah,
10 plus 6
yeah. Okay.
plus,
Okay.
that is 60. 60 plus 20, 80. Then here we have 80 minus 20, that is 60. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you do one more question, the third one as well?
Okay, miss.
Okay. Tell me the expression you got. Tell me the expression you got.
Uh,
Find the value of x. and find the value of x and the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter means, you know,
Perimeter means the length.
yeah, the total length, right? Perimeter means the total length. Now, so then here they have given us this is an rectangle here. So what are the properties of the rectangle? Can you tell me? Opposite,
Mm,
the length of the opposite side in a rectangle, in a rectangle, in a rectangle, opposite of the lengths are these two lengths, opposite lengths, op
mm,
opposite lengths are equal. In a rectangle, in Sinhala we call them as Rujukonasrayana. In a
mm,
rectangle, the opposite lengths are equal. Harida. That means we can derive an expression which is 4x minus 2 is equals to x plus 4 because these two lengths are equal. Harida, is it clear? And also these
yes,
two
miss.
sides. Again, these two sides also equal, but we can't equalize and get an expression because may pattata muku deela nane. They haven't gave us any expression for this side. They have only given us for the top and the bottom.
So we equal them.
Right, we have to equal them. And now 4x minus 2 is equals to x plus 4. Now find the
Yeah.
value for x.
Miss,
Yes.
what to do after we get the answer for those
Okay.
two?
So x is equals to what?
X equals 2.
X equals to, because you got 3x is equals to 6, then x was equals to 2. So they have asked you to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter means the total length of the rectangle. Find out the total.
Then
Okay, before finding out the total, you have to calculate the lengths of each side. First, calculate the length of each side. So what are the lengths of the sides? What are the lengths of the sides?
mm, Means for that we take those all together.
No, so 4x minus 2. So x is equals to 2. No, we can substitute the value 2 for this and get the answer. So 4x minus 2 means what is the value?
4x minus 2.
When x is equals to 2,
2x.
yeah, how it happen? No, how it happens? Because 4x minus 2. So x is equals to 2 means you can substitute, sorry, you can substitute 2 instead of this x. 4 times 2, 8. 8 minus 2, that is 8 minus 2, that is 6. This length is 6. Again, this length is x plus 4. No, x plus 4 means here x is equals to 2. That means 2 plus 4.
I got that way.
2 plus 4 means 6. So this side is
So we
4.
take 4 times 2, then it is 8.
Yes. 4 times 2, that is 8. 8 plus 5, that is 13. This side also 13. Now what you have to do? You have to add all these lengths together. Okay, done? What is the perimeter?
Is it 16 weeks?
Yeah, 38, right?
Okay. Yeah, miss.
13 plus 6, that is 19. 19 plus 19, that is 38.
38.
Okay. So now you can do the fourth, fifth, and sixth questions as homework. Haridha,
Yeah.
these three as homework. And now, can you do the, in this 8-star exercise, can you do the fourth, fifth, and sixth? It will be a little bit hard, but try to do it. Have you
Okay.
done these ones in school?
No, miss.
Okay. Try to do fourth, fifth, and sixth. you figure out the fourth question.
Wait me, still doing. Miss, Miss,
Yes.
is it 5?
5. You got the answer. Okay, do the fifth one. I'll also do the fourth one. Lakshmi is trying to throw basketballs through hoops at a fair. If a ball goes through a hoop, she receives 50 pennies. But if it does not, she has to pay 20 pennies for the shot. After 15 shots, Lakshmi finds she has made a profit of 1.20. How many times did Lakshmi successfully throw a ball through hoop? Okay, how you find out that one? What are the steps you followed? Okay,
Hmm.
after 15 slots, okay. So successful, you have to like make, did you took two variables? No, after 15 shot, Lakshmi found she has made a profit of this one. How many times? It was a successful, shots when if it's X now, okay, then the unsuccessful shots, it would be 15 minus X. Is it clear? Because the total shots will be 15, and 15 minus 6. 15 minus X. Then if if she was 6 X amount of success, that means 50 times X minus 20 times 15 minus X should equals to 1.20. Is it clear? So
Yeah.
now what we have 50x minus, here we have 300, it plus 20x is equals to 1. Okay. So 1.20 means 120, right? 120
Yeah.
because everything should be in a same unit. If I consider these ones 70x, 70x is equals to 420. Then both sides we have to divide it by 70. That means x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6. The answer. You got 5, right?
Yeah.
Is this equation correct? Whatever I received. This one.
The last one is not there. That
Ah,
50 bracket text is not there. The
okay,
miss
this
you marked one, that red one line in
red
front
line.
of it. That one is there,
Henna
and the
sorry.
last
So
one is there.
okay. Then Henna this one is 50x plus 20x.
Actually, I calculated wrong.
You have cancellated it wrong. You can divide both sides by 70. If you divide both sides by 70, 420 divided by 70, that is x.
Wait, miss, I will again calculate.
Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Then can you do the fifth one?
Okay, miss.
Okay. Okay, you are doing the fifth one, right?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Why is it so hard? A little bit hard.
The last one.
Last one means the sixth one.
Nah, miss, point that red one line.
Ah, okay, red line.
And
Okay, okay.
miss, let
Yes.
me check the answer.
Okay. So you did the fourth one? No? Did you do the?
Yeah, the
Okay.
fifth one.
Okay. So now you are doing the fifth one, right?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Okay, so if it's like taking much time and you wanted to think a
No,
lot,
miss, I got the answer.
you did.
This is
Okay.
C.
Wait. Let me do that one. Aiden is doing a multiple choice test with 20 questions. Okay. So 20 questions. He scores 3 marks for a correct answer. With 20, okay. Lose 1 mark, okay. Aiden answers all the questions and scores 40 marks, okay. If the correct number of correct answers, it is, if it's X, then the wrong answers, it would be 20 minus X, right? Here for each and every correct answer, he will get 3 marks, no? 3
Yes,
times
miss.
X minus 20 minus X times, here 20 minus X times 1 is equals to, the total mark would be 40. That
40.
means 3x minus 20 plus 1 is equals to 40. Okay? No,
Yeah,
x. Here we have x. Then 3x plus x, that is 4x. Yes, the answer is correct. 4x minus 20 is equals to 40. That means 4x is equals to 60. X is equals to 15. Okay?
yeah, miss.
Okay, then as homework, can you do the rest of the entire questions? So we are done with the
Okay,
algebra lesson as well. You can do the 8 star completely as homework. Okay. And
okay,
then You have to do the exercise 9, the revision one also as homework, and
Okay.
these revisions also as homework. And then we'll do then you have to do the exam practice algebra 1 questions as well as homework.
Okay.
Then we are done with these ones. We can move to the graphs next day onwards. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining. See you on next day then. I'll mark
Okay,
all the
Miss.
homeworks and send back to you.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. See you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.